Hello, Left Foot listeners, and for those listening in for the first time, welcome. I'm Nicole Giantonio, the CEO of Left Foot. The following is a quick sample from our discussion with John Forte. John advises law firms and other professional services organizations and is the author of 2 books, one he authored during 2017, Winning Proposals, The Essential Guide for Law Firms and Legal Service Providers. Really look at legal purchasing as an opportunity to help us determine if one partner is equal to the other based on the value that that partner would bring, not only the work product, but the value that would be associated with that work product. Any comments on that?
There's a few examples I would immediately think of in this context, which is different from making a traditional technical assessment of a law firm's capabilities. One aspect of value, as it is now understood and tends to be understood by professional purchasers, as a law firm, apart from your technical expertise and your contribution to solving legal problems, what is going to be your contribution to helping us manage our legal function, our legal resource in total? We're now looking to you not only to advise us on the law, but also on the management of the law. And that might include, for example, how can we improve synergies between the in-house department and our external firms? How can we accelerate knowledge transfer to our own people? What are the areas where we can reduce costs? Increasingly, law firms are expected to contribute managerially as well as technically, as I say, in terms of managing the law as a function within the organization. The second area I'd mention is outcomes. Outcomes are not always easy to measure. This goes back to trying to make an assessment which is more objective. Let's look at what a law firm has actually achieved over the course of a year of working with an organization. What were the outcomes? Can we quantify them? What was the benefit, either in terms of reputation or in terms of the bottom line to the organization, of that law firm's intervention? Not how many hours they spent, but what was the result? Obviously, you will take into account mitigating factors if you didn't get the result you wanted. It's going to be increasingly looking at assessing outcomes rather than inputs in deciding what a law firm's real performance is. And one other area where procurement is coming from is continuous improvement. All of us who work in the field of professional services feel that we try to do the very best job we can. And therefore, continuous improvement isn't necessary if you are already producing a perfect service. However, if you look at this from the point of view of people who are managing professional services providers, it's rather different. Procurement want to be able to show and to demonstrate that they're getting increasing value from external suppliers. As a firm, if you want to succeed, you have to plot a way of showing them that you are capable of achieving improvement over the medium and long term. And you need to find a way of quantifying that, because that increasingly is what the managers of legal services inside organizations are looking for.
Tune into our full discussion with John Forte, episode 99 on iTunes, SoundCloud, Stitcher, or leftfoot.com.